These are going to be the elevators here at the employee garage at Caesar's Palace. These are very interesting. Look at this.
Interesting.
I don't know what kind of elevators these are. That's a weird door track. It looks like US, but look at those doors. They're so rusty. Aw, come on now. Wait, what? What the heck?
Stock. The indicator's really weird.
Yeah. Those are big dots.
I know, right?
Let's get a different car.
Yes.
A really nice view. Why are all the doors so rusty? What the heck? Go down.
I'll feel this. It's broken.
What?
No, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a replace button. Indicator's dead on this one. You want to get another car?
Nah. Unless you do.
We'll see. Let's see. These are kind of interesting.
They are interesting.
The door track looks like US.
Yeah.